How you going, champions? We've got 2 days left of dry July. Only made about $200 so far. After last year we made about 1,700 when the target was 1,000. Set the target to 600 this time. I put in 100 myself. We've got about 250. So if you can help out, I'd appreciate it. If you can't, that's good. Well wishes are all good. But I thought I'd come out here, test my new ultra wide angle lens, ulterior motive, and try a non-alcoholic beverage for your entertainment. So today, in honour of Ollie, we've got Iron Brew. So I couldn't get the original 1901 or whatever one he was suggesting, but this one's everywhere over here. So we'll give it a crack. I thought I'd walk out here to make some effort to counter the amount of sugar that's in this thing. That's not what I was expecting. Just tastes like raspberry, like when you get a fire engine at the pub. Very sweet. It's got ammonium ferric citrate, 0.002%, just like all good drinks. Sunset yellow, flavourings, sweeteners, no shit. No, it's pretty good. Just reminds me of being a kid, having a fire engine in the pub. Well, the adults got shit-faced. That's what being a child in Australia is all about. So I'll give that, let's give it a 7 out of 10. It's a good one. Might get more of that if it didn't cost like $8 a can. So see you tomorrow for the last day of dry July. You can continue to donate for a month after July ends, so for all of August. So if you're a bit late and you're just catching up on the videos, then you can still donate. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, champions. See you tomorrow.